You also bought a house.
Yes.
Sir, while you were together. Is that right?
Yeah.
And according to your papers, you put the house in your name.
No, my father actually bought the house.
What do you mean your father bought the house?
My father bought the home so that I would have a home for my son to grow up in.
What about
I'm paying the
your
mortgage
son's...
payment.
You're making the payments?
Yes, I make
So the house
mortgage
is in your
payment.
father's name?
Yes.
Interesting. Got this really worked out. And what did you do with your money, Miss Hill, when the money that you earned?
It went towards groceries and bills.
Did you have a joint account?
Yes, we did.
But the house you knew was in his father's name?
I knew that it was always in his father's name, but I just recently found out after we split up that it is also in his name. Not my name, but his and his dad's.
You're telling me that it's in joint names with his father?
That's what I was told.
Is that true, sir?
No, the insurance is.
What do you mean the insurance is?
Well, because I live in the home, it was good to put me on the insurance in case anything happened to the home.
But not her. So you got a house, and you have a business, and she's got $1,300, period. What else did she leave this 11-year relationship with, sir?
My son.
You say in your answer to his complaint that you found certain papers before you left in the house.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yes?
Would you like to tell me, please, what papers you found before you left with your son?
Gary had already started proceedings to get custody of my son, and I didn't know.
How did you find those papers, and where did you find them?
I found him in his work clipboard. One day I was looking through it, I don't remember for what, but I found the papers in there underneath some invoices.
And what were the papers for? What did they say?
He was filling out the papers already to take me to court to get custody of my son for me.
When had you begun to fill out those papers, Mr. Summers?
Around the end of March.
And when did you leave, Miss Hill?
April 20th, and I found those papers in the beginning of March.
Had you ever gone to court seeking custody before you found those papers?
Never, not until March 7th, and March 6th, excuse me.
March or April?
I'm sorry, April. April.
Had you already left the house?
No, I did not leave until April 20th, and that was the day before our hearing.
And at the hearing, who was awarded primary custody of the child?
Well, that first day that we went to court, he was ordered to go and be drug tested. And after we went to court again on May 14th, I was awarded, we were both awarded joint custody with my residence being the primary.
What was the result of the drug test?
Positive.
For?
Marijuana.